Hey guys, what's going on? It's Anthony here with Ant's Drone, and in today's video we're going to be talking about the DJI FPV drone. And really quick before we get started, if you're a YouTuber and you're trying to grow your YouTube channel, definitely check out TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is an awesome platform that will help you grow your YouTube channel quickly. If you're interested to know more about TubeBuddy, definitely check out my link in the description below. So I found this article from Drone XL and I wanted to make a video about it because I think it's really cool. It's a proposal from Drone XL basically stating that there could be a 3D flying experience with the new DJI FPV drone. Just think about that. Like when you watch a video right now through an FPV goggles, like you put those on and you watch that video is 2D, just like any video that you see, unless you have 3D glasses or some type of insane screen. The video that you're looking at is 2D. So imagine putting on those goggles and like feeling like you're actually flying through the air. I mean, it's really incredible to think about. So let's read the article starting from this point right here, because I feel like this is the most important. I'm going to zoom in on it. What if the DJI FPV drone would offer a 3D flying experience? When you look at what we originally thought to be two obstacle avoidance sensors, and imagine that these are in fact two cameras that provide 3D visual experience when used with DJI FPV goggles version 2. Imagine how that would take FPV drone flying to a whole new level. The two cameras seem to be wider apart than obstacle avoidance sensors than on the Mavic 2 Pro, and could resemble the distance between your eyes. The goggles should make it relatively easy for DJI to create a 3D experience, and this way the world's largest drone maker could bring something truly new to the otherwise saturated FPV drone market. So that is really cool, and I definitely think if there's any drone company that could pull something like this off, it's going to be DJI. So let me know in the comment section below what you guys think about this story. I think that this is really cool and definitely something that's very possible. But if you like today's video, definitely hit the subscribe button and notification bell. That way you're updated when I create new videos. And also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.